Stop scrolling. This $16 tool just replaced my Canva, ChatGPT, MidJourney, Claude, and my funnel builder, all in one dashboard. What's up, everyone? Today I'm reviewing EveryAI, a universal AI platform that claims to give you access to over 350 premium AI tools without subscriptions or API keys. Sounds insane, right? I had to test it. Once you log in, you're hit with this clean dashboard. You can literally type in what you want, like create a logo, write ad copy, or generate 8K video, and boom, it pulls up the right AI model for you. ChatGPT, Claude, Runway ML, Canva AI, it's all there. I built a full website with Claude in 9 seconds, generated a logo with Leonardo AI in 30 seconds, created a talking avatar using Pika Labs. And guess what? No monthly bills, no separate logins, no switching tabs. Just search, click, and execute. I even tested it on Fiverr. Posted a gig offering 3D box shots and AI voiceovers. Within 48 hours, I had 3 orders. Because the quality and delivery time, less than 10 minutes. EveryAI also includes a commercial license, so you can sell whatever you create. Just a heads up, they say this low one-time price is limited, and honestly, I believe it. You're getting what feels like $300 a month worth of tools for under 20 bucks. No brainer. So, is EveryAI worth it? For me, 100% yes. But what would you create if you had access to all these AI tools in one place? Let me know in the comments. Links in the bio. Go check it out before the price jumps.